It blows my mind that this product is not talked about. This product, in my opinion, should be talked about more than the hyaluronic serum. All of the products mentioned have a lighter skin tones replica, and there's a discovery kit for everybody and anybody. So if you've watched any, and I mean any celebrity skincare video, you have seen this name, Dr. Barbara Sturm. I'm sure many of you know she has an iconic, expensive hyaluronic serum. She's known for the vampire facials, as well as taking the proteins from your blood and putting it in your face cream. So naturally I wanted to see what the hype was about, as well as I wanted to look like some of these people. Hello. So Dr. Barbara Sturm is always on my list, mainly the hyaluronic serum. I feel like you have to kind of go in person to get the facial. I don't think you can just like send your blood like Ancestry. I just always saw myself using $300 for multiple products versus one hyaluronic serum. That was until I found out that Barbara Sturm has a dedicated line to darker skin tones, which fast-tracked my interest in the company, of course. We will start with the foam cleanser. So some key notes are removes complexion makeup and it has salicylic acid. It's not recommended to use salicylic acid with retinol, so if you're using retinol, I do not recommend using this cleanser on your retinol nights. My thoughts on this cleanser: I do agree. I do think it removes complexion makeup. I love myself some foaming cleansers. It wasn't irritating. Yeah, all in all, solid cleanser. Second, we have the enzyme cleanser. A lot of people, whenever people think Barbara Sturm, we think hyaluronic serum. This, in my opinion, I know I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just gonna say this is my favorite product in the whole line. This is one of my favorite cleansers ever. So it's an enzyme cleanser. It's a powder. You're supposed to mix it with water. I watched one of Barbara's videos and she recommended keeping it on your face. So once you get the foam, you put it on your face and you leave it for 1 minute. This is a great power duo for double cleansing. This you only need no more than 2 times a week, maybe 3 max depending on your skin, but it is an exfoliator. Yes, it's a cleanser, but it's also an exfoliator. I noticed instant results. Like once I washed this off, my skin felt so smooth. It felt lighter. Because the thing with exfoliation, it's either people aren't doing it so they have a lot of buildup, or they're over exfoliating and they have micro tears. So I highly recommend getting into gentle exfoliators, and it blows my mind that this product is not talked about. This product should, in my opinion, should be talked about more than the hyaluronic serum, truly. So next off, we have probably what you came here for, the hyaluronic serum. I'll give a disclaimer. When I first tried this, I spilled close to half, if not more of it, so I didn't get the full trial experience. But for my short time with the serum, it was great. It was super hydrating. It was fast absorbing. My skin felt really soft, especially on the nights that I exfoliated. I can't really say it changed my life. I'm definitely gonna have to try another trial size, but all in all, it was pretty good. Like, it was noticeably good. So next we have a rich face cream. So it contains Lumicol from Microalgae. It lightens hyperpigmentation, and it actually won a Best in Black Beauty award. It's interesting. I didn't know that it helped with hyperpigmentation. I've been using a lot of products for my hyperpigmentation, and I don't use this consistently, so I can't say that it made a difference in my hyperpigmentation, but it said it's award-winning. If you do use this consistently, it shall help lighten hyperpigmentation, so good to know. And lastly, the face cream. Sorry, it was in my makeup bag, so it might be a little scuffed. In my personal opinion, I don't notice that much of a difference between this and the Face Rich Cream. It doesn't state that this one has ingredients that help with hyperpigmentation, so if I were to choose between the two, I'd go for the Face Cream Rich. The face cream would be good for people that don't suffer from hyperpigmentation, people with oilier skin. And I guess lastly, do I recommend purchasing this product? Yes, I do. It is a little more on the expensive side, so I think it would make a great gift. I think if you are into skincare, you need to try Barbara Sturm. And I've had these products since the summer. As long as you don't spill the hyaluronic serum, a little goes a long way. I think it'd be great for when you're traveling or when we're allowed to travel. If you just want to feel nice and treat yourself for a weekend getaway, I think it's something great to reach for on the days that you just want to pamper yourself. One con that I will say is the top. For the price point, it is kind of frustrating. I don't know if this is just my kit, but the zipper falls off all the time. I don't even know where it is. It's easy to put back on, but it also falls off easy. And if you can afford it, go for it. Buy the full-size products. I do really like them, and your skin will look great. You'll feel good. What more could you want? But yes, thank you so much for watching my video. It would mean so much if you liked and subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm just getting into my skincare journey, and I would love to build a community here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.